Hello fam bam. So, got some new Amazon items in the mail and just some of my tried and true favorites. So I wanted to run you guys through some of the things that I have been absolutely obsessed with and some of the things that I just regularly reorder. Not because I need to, but because we love them that much. So these are a pair of YSL dupes. I have the actual YSL ones in this cream color. And when I ended up seeing the dupe, I want to say they were around $900. When I ended up seeing the Amazon dupe, I got the Amazon dupe to compare the two. Lo and behold, I fell in love with the Amazon ones more than the designer ones, and I wear these, you can see that I wear these so much. I want to say it's 3 years in. I saw that they have more colors now, so I ran and got the other ones. Obviously, I have a lot of other designer shoes that I do love the way that they look and feel and all the things. These ones specific, I love the Amazon ones, one, because they're 9% cheaper, but also because they're so much easier to walk in and they're lighter. The YSL ones, the actual designer ones, are so heavy and I feel like I'm lugging weight with each step. Obsessed with these ones, saw the other colors, ordered them. They did take a little bit to get in, but because I knew I had already loved them in another color from the vendor, I was willing to wait, and they came in today and they are perfect. Another one of my favorites are these Aviator Sunnies, which you have seen these probably since I was pregnant with Harper, who is right here doing arts and crafts. I have been obsessed with these, love them. I want to say they're around $12 maybe, but love these. I have maybe 4 or 5 pair, and actually all of us have them, and we just have them laying around the house because we love them that much. These are Celine dupe that I tried them on in Neiman Marcus and ended up liking the Amazon ones better. Sometimes I like to have weight to my sunnies, but sometimes I like for them to feel light, and a lot of times the Amazon dupes feel a lot better. Next are tried and true Kitsch hair rollers. Harp, you wanna come show them your rollers? My baby is here and she has her hair, period. Show them your rollers, turn around, period. So she has an overnight blowout and Kitsch. I use the Kitsch ones when my hair is longer, and we use the overnight blowout ones, the velvet ones, because they hold when you don't have as much hair to wrap. So obsessed with these, get them on Amazon. Oftentimes like Ulta and things are out of stock. At first it was just me using them, and now our little baby has a blowout, so she has to wear her rollers at night. Next we have our puzzles. I have been obsessed with puzzles lately, and I have been getting them on Amazon, Walmart, and some other places, but these are some of the ones that I got on Amazon. It's honestly, it has been the best brain break for me to be able to just focus in on something that is not tied to anything, and just literally nothing else matters when I do them. I'm able to fully shut my brain off and just be and exist and do something that is not tied to a specific outcome. My output doesn't matter. Another thing is the tripod that the phone is on. I have shared with you guys the tripod in countless videos now, but also this phone light. Yes, I have one of them labeled because we have a million of them going around the house, and sometimes they just get in everybody's purse and flipped around. So I do label at least one where I'm like, where's that one light that I need everyone to always return? Next is this orb. You want to try them on and show them? While you do that, I'm going to tell them about our...
See them at Amazon, sunglasses, and I love them.
Period. This is our organizer. Did you organize this?
These are our organizer beads. We have some same ones that are different sizes.
We have some small ones and big ones.
I'm going to pick them up right now and show them.
Period.
So, some of the small ones and big ones together matching. We all have some the same, but
what does the stick do?
You just can put the beads on here, then put it on your hair, then all of them don't have them. And we got silver, black,
Clear. Glow in the dark.
clear,
Oh, those are glow in the dark? I didn't know that.
and blue. Then also our old box we have having a long time. I'll show you the ones that we have in here. And we have multiple colors in this one. And here we have the pink clips and pink clips. And we have some clear beads or silver and shades of brown with some clear in here. And
What are your favorite color beads to get?
we have these blue clips with the blue beads. and some spring colors,
Period.
which is green, yellow, and orange. We have these yellow and red from Amazon, and these flowers and some seeds from Nora Lee.
Period. And then the rest of them are where? Your headbands.
The rest of them are from Amazon.
Yes, correct. But they're in your room, right?
And
Oh.
we have some of these brown shoes heels, which from Amazon, which is my favorite.
Earrings are from Amazon too.
The shoes is the new pair from Amazon, and which is I really like.
Can mommy finish her video?
You have some using it to take off her blush and her makeup. I'm showing you the noise it makes when I close it. ASMR.
Can I finish now?
And
Leave your
purple and brown and black, and I.
Who's on your pages?
It's Jazzy Rex, Bullseye, and
You can finish your video. Do you want a director or you got it?
we have my mom's tablet.
Let's.
Laptop.
No. You can eat some more fruit though. The raspberries are in the fridge. Matu, can you hand her the raspberries, please? Blackberries. There's a bowl in the fridge I put. They've eaten 4 cartons of blackberries in the last 24 hours. All 4 of them.
And that's why people need to
Shop. Comment, shop. So, she seems to have had the video. Obsessed with these Metacube toner pads, zero pore pads. I use them after I wash my face and do all the things, and then use this as an added layer of just making sure the skin is doing what it needs to do. You can get them on Amazon. I also love their pink PDRN, I think it is, mask. Obsessed with that. It literally brings my skin back to life. Get them on Amazon as well.
Sandy.
Sanitizer, sure, yes.
Our sand.
Well, why do we use hand sanitizer?
So our hands can be clean, not dirty when we go to the bathroom.
Period. So this is a great organizer as well. The beads, she ran you through it. But we realized we have so many different color beads based off vibes, and they were just all over the house. So in efforts of condensing them and having them all in one place. Now, the headbands, we're still figuring it out because we put some in here, but they have 2 full baskets of headbands and bows and hair accessories. So I'm probably gonna go back and order a few more of these just so we can keep everything organized from a hair accessory perspective. But love them too, and also I'll also just link a bunch of my other organizing acrylic situation that I get on Amazon. Along with that, I get our earrings. So I get mine in a bigger size, which this is not the biggest. I have some bigger than this. And then I get the girls' earrings as well. I first got them from JCPenney's, and then I found some on Amazon that were even cheaper, that now I can just have it on a regular subscription, because the way they come home with 1 or 2 missing earrings every week, a thing. But I also realize that just comes with being a kid. Like once mine are starting to look like war and tour, have makeup on them, I'll swap them out. So it's easy for me to replenish them and keep them stocked up in case of emergencies. So these are just a few of my many favorites. Oh, these pants I have on right now are also from Amazon. They're one of my favorite. I have them in army color. I have them in brown. I have them in a bunch of different colors, and I'm obsessed with these pants. They're great, and I want to say they're around maybe $40, $50. So grab them up, thank me later. Like Harp said, shop so she can get new toys. I don't know. I really just wanted to show you some of my Amazon favorites, but somebody came home from school sick and keeps making themselves present in all the videos, which is fine because she does live here, but she's not sick. Bye.